Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your DoorDash credits. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've invited some friends to use DoorDash. How do you actually go ahead and check how much credits you have left? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, let's go ahead and open up DoorDash. Then on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on Me, then click on Settings, then scroll down and click on Payment. Next, scroll down even more, and you can see DoorDash credits, $50 US dollars. But that right there is how to go ahead and check your credits, and it's important to keep in mind that credits will automatically apply to future orders that you make on DoorDash. So for example, if I go to the home page, click on View Cart, then scroll down, you can see that above the total, it says DoorDash credits minus 33. That just goes to show that the DoorDash credits are automatically going to be applied to my next order. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your credits on DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.